Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add a like button overlay to your videos on CapCut. So in here, I've already add videos to CapCut, and to add the like button overlay, you can easily find it from the CapCut stock video. So go to the overlay and add overlay, click on stock videos, and then swipe through the category until you find the green screen. Okay, so in here you'll see there is this like button with thumbs up, or you can also use this one, and also this one. So I'm going to use the hit the like button video. Click on add. Now remove the green screen by using the chroma key. Okay, I'm going to drag the color picker and adjust the shadow and intensity. Okay, let's see the result. You can adjust the size if you like. I'm going to put it at the bottom like that, and that's it. So this will be the result. And that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.